Hi and welcome back. Let's learn how to easily allow or disallow Siri extensions in iOS 27 on your iPhone and iPad. With the introduction of iOS 27, Apple gives you more control over how Siri interacts with third-party apps through Siri extensions. These extensions allow supported apps to work with Siri for tasks such as sending messages, creating reminders, starting workouts, controlling smart home devices, and more. If you prefer tighter privacy controls, you can easily allow or disallow Siri extensions on your device. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first you have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Then you have to scroll down a bit and choose Screen Time. After that, you have to choose Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then ensure that its toggle is active. After that, you have to choose the Siri option. Then you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and choose Extensions. And finally, you have to choose the Don't Allow option and you're all set. Allowing Siri extensions gives Siri the ability to work with supported AI services, helping you get richer answers and complete more advanced tasks without leaving the conversation. On the other hand, disabling Siri extensions can be a better choice if you want tighter control over AI interactions, reduce access to third-party intelligence providers, or limit these features for yourself or a family member through screen time. Having said that, make sure to choose the option that best matches your privacy preferences and how you use Siri on your iPhone or iPad. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next one.